Hey, my friends, we are going to talk about building up sets of blocks, and we're going to talk about breaking apart sets of blocks. So first, we're going to talk about building up sets of blocks. So I have one yellow block, and I want to add one more block to it. I want to add, so I'm going to use this symbol, add. That means I'm putting these together. So I have one yellow block here, and I want to add it to this yellow block here. How many yellow blocks do I have now? 1 plus 1 is 2. One yellow block added to one yellow block equals 2 yellow blocks. All right, very good. We're going to do a different one. One green block. 1. And I want to get another green block. And I want to add another green block. Now, if I have one green block plus one green block plus one green block, how many green blocks do I have now? Well, let's build it and find out. One green block plus one green block plus one green block equals 3 green blocks. How many green blocks do I have? 3 in my tower now. All right, so I'm going to keep my 3 over here. All right, I've got 3 in this set. What would happen if I decided I wanted to add one more? What's one more than 3? I don't know. Let's build the set and find out. All right, how many of 3 plus 1 is going to be how many? 3. Add one more. How many do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 now. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green blocks. Now, we have been building up our sets of blocks. We've been adding more and more and more blocks. I wonder what would happen if I break these blocks apart. Let's look right here. We start with 4 up top. And I'm just feeling extra strong. This green is inspiring me to be the Hulk. I'm ready to break these blocks in half. Now I have 2 towers. Instead of having a block tower that had 4 in it, now I have 2 different towers. Let's see how many blocks are in each one of these towers. Count with me. 1, 2. There's 2 blocks on this side. Count with me over here. 1, 2. 2 blocks on this side. Look, we took that 4 and we broke it apart. We took this 4 and we broke it into 2 equal parts. We used to have a tower that was 4, but when we snapped it apart like the Hulk, we got 2 towers with 2 green blocks. Ooh. All right, we're going to try one more that we build up and then break apart. Okay, I want to know what happens if I take 3 black blocks. 3 black blocks. And then I add 3 more black blocks. I have 3 black blocks over here and 3 black blocks over here. We want to know what happens when we add them all together. We start with 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to add 3 more. Ready? Start with your 3 and add 3 more. That's 4, 5, 6. I took my 3 blocks from over here and my 3 blocks from right here, and now I have this tall tower. How many blocks do I have in this tower? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 blocks in this set of this tower. Did I say that right? Yeah, 6 blocks in this tower. All right, now we have a huge tower. This is the biggest one we've built. 6 is way bigger than our block set over here. Remember we had our green blocks? We only had 4 in it. 6 is bigger. See how it's a taller one than this one? The green is smaller and the 6 is taller. All right, so looking at our 6, our biggest one, we're going to use our Hulk power and break it apart. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Smash it apart. Oh, yeah, like Hulk. Now, I used to have a tall tower that had 6 blocks in it, but now I have 2 towers. I have 1, 2, 3 in this tower, and 1, 2, 3 in this tower. 3 equal groups. We have, 2 equal groups. We have 3 on this side and 3 on this side. We took what used to be 6 and broke it apart into 3 and 3. See how it broke apart into 3 and 3? When we add blocks to our sets, we are making our towers taller. When we add blocks to our sets, we are making our tower smaller. That means we're using bigger and bigger and bigger numbers. When we take blocks away, when we subtract blocks from our sets, we are making our towers shorter and shorter and shorter. You make things bigger when you add to your tower. You make things smaller when you take some away. Very good.